Hello! So how do we make this? Okay, learn step by step and we start now. Hello! First thing first, now we sort the coffee sachet. Okay, you can sort by the brand or maybe by the color. Whatever you choose, just make it all in groups. And then the second step is we cut the other side. Already cut the top side, now we cut the bottom side, so it will be open both sides. Finish cut, and now we wash the coffee sachet because sometimes there are still some coffee and sugar, so we have to clean it before we work on it. Okay, check it. I just put it in a bucket and filled with water so I can save some water too. Okay, now we use the yarn because I have this method to dry it of course using the sun, and we put it inside the yarn and I just let it dry in the sun. If you want to dry it overnight, it's okay, but I'm not patient. Okay, finish dry, and then now the next step is cut it in half. Yes, cut it in half so you can have upside and bottom side. You can use both of it. Okay, and of course you have to sort it. Now I already sorted the bottom side and then the upper side. Yeah, so this is now the step, the important. Yeah, now we fold inside. Yes, the upper side and then the bottom side we have to fold inside. Okay, look closely. I'm sorry if it's not look clearly. Okay, just fold it inside. Be careful. It's kind of hard for beginner, but if you are practice or you do it very often, you will know how to fold quickly. Okay, you have 4 minimum pieces of this coffee sachet already folded. Now we woven. Look closely, and it's very easy because we need 4 pieces for base. Okay, just put it inside. Okay, put it inside again. Don't forget with the same pattern. You look that I like the white first, and then okay, the last piece, the fourth one. Okay, input it. Now we have to put the last one to connect to the first one. So that's it. That's the base of the woven. We have to have minimum 4 to learn the basics. Okay, you can see it's easy with no glue, or you don't have to sew, you don't have to stitch, you just woven. Okay, now I will show you to connect others. We have to continue, right? So you can see I just connect with other, and then put it inside on the top of it. Okay, that is the third. And then the fourth one, okay, inside, and you connect with the first one. Just put it inside. Be careful, you have to do it. It's very easy, but it requires a lot of patience. So if you are just new, try it slowly. Okay, so we have 2 now. 2. Okay, but it's kind of backwards. So I have to notice the pattern. You have to notice. Sorry. Okay, we repeat the process. So the pattern, you can see the black now. Now the black is, we do it the black one. Okay, put it the top of the third one, and then we slip it to the first one. Okay. Come on. Now, just cool it. Okay. Now we finish 1 woven with white, and then 2 with the black. We use the paper clip to help it maintain in the same spot, not just 1. For beginner, I recommended minimum 2 or 4 because sometimes you just slip it back, and it's kind of hard to make the coffee sachet in the right point. So we now finish 2. Now we discuss about the pattern. There is white side and then black side. White side and then black side. And the bottom also we have different pattern. So if we woven, we will come to this. This is the bottom, and this is the upper. And as you can see, this is flat. Yeah, we will make this cute pattern. You see, white, black. Okay, white, black, white. Yes, because it depends on the pattern on the coffee sachet, whether you choose it to fold it in the right way. Yes, from the first. Now you can see, if we want to make some bags, we will need some corner. Yes, corner. You can see it will stand. You have to know how to make this corner. So that is an advanced step. That is corner, the square, and this one is triangle. Yeah, so that corner thing, you have to learn how to do it. Okay, this advanced step, I will show you how to connect these 2. Yes, these 2. You can see 2 sides. This one is black, so we will prepare 2 more. Okay, connect this and this with the triangle mode, or we will make the corner. We have to extra 2 more pieces coffee sachet to woven it. Okay, you have to repeat it over and over if you are confused, because this lesson is very advanced. I have to learn these steps in 3 hours. So if you can do it in minutes, wow, cool. So if you want to repeat and don't understand about this phase, you have to repeat the video, okay? Just keep trying. Now you can see that this is a triangle. The concept is to connect two square and then become this triangle. Okay, we will try it again. I will show you once again. If you still don't know how, just repeat this video in this section. This is the end result. You can make the bag, depends on your needs, how big it is. I achieved this for about 3 weeks. Maybe it could be faster, but I hope this tutorial will help you to learn about how to recycle the coffee sachet. So save the earth. Stay healthy, everyone. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye bye.